Hi there, welcome to Study with Rishi. This is the introductory video to 10-minute system design course where we learn system design concepts in 10 minutes or less. So whenever we are designing a large scale distributed system, we need to consider a few things. What are the different architecture pieces that can be used? How do these pieces work with each other? How do we best utilize these pieces? What are the right trade-offs? Investing in scaling before it is needed is generally not a smart idea. However, some forethought into the design can save valuable time and resources in future. In the following videos, we will try to define some of the core building blocks of scalable systems. Learning these concepts would greatly benefit in understanding distributed systems. In the coming video, we will go through consistent hashing, cap theorem, load balancing, caching, data partitioning, indexes, proxies, queues, replication, and choosing between SQL and NoSQL. So let's start 10-minute system design.